Hey everybody, welcome back to IH100, where we explore the farm life and a whole lot more. Today we are going to be doing a cold start on our Case 830 Comfort King tractor and waking it up to do some spring tillage work later in the spring. If you have not already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's get to it. At this point, we determined that the tractor actually needed more propane because it didn't actually have enough in the tank to crank over, so that's what we're going to get to next.
The frost on this regulator indicates that is not a normal condition, and so that it might be that there's
you saw is we got our Case 830 started for spring work. Our krause disc is down there over yonder, and this beastie of a tractor runs on propane. So there's two valves here, and our problem was this valve here, this was leaking a little bit, and that's why the engine wouldn't maintain the speed of the throttle. So my uncle tightened that up, and it runs well, and so forth. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I know this was pretty darn cool to see this kind of thing run. This is definitely a true American muscle tractor for sure. And be looking to more videos like this in the future. And like I said, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Go follow us on Instagram. Links are in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, see ya.